Turning your engine A17DTS. Turning good. And the front engines look as well, as you can see, no damage. Altimeter look nice, in good conditions. Pipes inside looks good. Compressor look as well, as you can see. And on this side, engines looks good, no damage. Gearbox look as well, no damage, no broken. And on this side, engines looks good. Starter good as well. And on the top, all connectors and injectors looks good, no damage, no water. On the bottom, no cracks, no leaks, no damage. And turning your engine AJ313.